17 million.
Sa millions place, right?
Opo.
Okay, very good. That's right.
Pareha lang siya sa 100,000.
Pareho lang sa 100,000. Very good. Okay. Wow. Oops. Okay, very good. How about number 3?
33,000.
What? Can you see that again? Is it 33,000? You're going to round up the
33
million.
million.
Ano yan? What was that?
33 million.
33 million. Okay, very good.
Sir Carly, nagalag ako.
Marinig man kita. Sige. How about 100,000? What's your answer?
Hello?
Yes. How about 100,000 of number 3? What's your answer?
6 million.
And what? Number 300,000, please. Number 300,000. Yung 32,568,542.
$6 million.
Bakit 6 million? Bakit 6 million? You are going to look at the 100,000 place. And your your figure here is 32,568,542. You're going to round off to the nearest hundred. Where is your 100,000? Diba? This is your 100,000.
Yung 5.
Yeah. So what are you going to do?
Sir Carly,
Oo.
naging 6 million siya kasi yung katabi niya 6, sunod
Tama nga. Anong gagawin mo dyan sa 32?
32.
Kinalimutan mo si 32 eh. Sige na, Khloie.
Ay, oo.
We're running out of time. O ano?
32,600,000.
32 million 600,000. Okay, very good. Kinalimutan mo eh.
Nalimutan ko yung copy.
Oo nga. Okay, how about number 4? Number 4.
Number 4, 10 million.
Sa millions place. Okay, very good. Paano naman yung 100,000 place?
10 million pa rin.
10 million pa rin. Very good. Okay. Okay, very good. How about number 5?
11 million.
11 million. Wow. Okay. How about 100,000?
10,600,000.
Oh, very good. 10,600,000. Wow. Great job, Khloie. I think you understand already the concept of rounding off to the nearest millions and 100,000s. Just please do not forget, Khloie, okay? Yeah. So
Kasi pala, gawin grabe yung study ko.
oh, wow. Very good. Okay, that's a good sign for a good student, okay? So, I will just contact your mom, okay? Because this is the last day of your mathematics and Yesterday was the last day of your Filipino, okay? All right.
Bye,
Yeah.
Tita